Hello friends, welcome to Python programming tutorials. In this class we are going to discuss about some variables in Python. So there are three types of variables available in Python. One is instance variables, second one is static variables, and third one is local variables. So simply saying, what is an instance variable means? If the contents of the variable is changed from one instance to another instance, we are called as a instance variable. So that means, for example, I am creating, in previous class we see student. In student, we are going to define three instance variables. One is snumber, sname, and third one is squalification. So this is the student class. Now I create object S1. I create another object S2. So S1 contains snumber, S2 contains snumber. Similarly, sname, squalification, squalification. So what is an instance variable? The instance variables are changed from one object to another object. In this object I give 1, 2, 3, 4. For S2 I am giving 4, 5, 6, 7. For sname I give Ravi. In this Ramu. For this BTech. So this is MTech. This snumber, sname, squalification are called as a instance variables. So how we can declare instance variables? We can declare instance variable in three types. One is declare in constructors. So already we see how we can create these variables. How? Self dot snumber. So declaring methods. So in this also we can define the instance variables like self dot snumber. So third one, create variables with the help of object name. That means what is the object name here? S1. S1 dot snumber. So in this way, if you are creating a variable like this, then this variable is a instance variables. So next, static variable. Static variable means if the value of the variable does not change from instance to instance. So that means, for example, so I am defining a equals to 10. So how I can define this as a static variable means in two ways. One is declare variable inside class and outside constructor and methods. And second way is create variables with the help of class name. How we can create the instance variable? With the help of object name. So S1 dot snumber, that means self dot snumber. Then snumber is a instance variable. If I create, what is the class name? Student. So student dot snumber. Then snumber is a static variable and it is common to all the objects. For example, I am creating a equals to 10. How? Two ways. One is declaring the value. We can see that class A equals to 10. So def and writing on constructor print high. So where I define this variable? Inside the class, outside the function. So this is a static variable and it is common to all the objects. When I create S1, what is the value of the A? 10. When I create S2, what is the value? A equals to 10. That means these can access this value from class name. So that means in another way is you can create student A dot A equals to 10. In this way also you create static variables. Okay. And third one is local variables. So local variable means if you define a variable inside a function. For example, here I am writing another def display self comma name. Okay, this name is local variable. So that means the scope of the variable is within the function only. So those type of variables we are called as a local variables. Okay, we can review quickly. Instance variable, the values are changed from one object to another object. So static variable, values are not changed from object to object. So third, local variable, if you define a variable inside a function, we call it as a local variable. Okay, how we can create the instance variable? With the help of constructor or method. So how we can create the static variable? With the help of class name, or you can declare the variable inside the class and outside the methods and constructor. Local variables defined inside the functions, that we are called as the local variables.
So now we can see variables. Now we can see the execution of instance variable. So what is an instance variable? If you are defining a variable with the help of self, those variables we are treated as a instance variables. So those variables are changed from one object to another object. Here so S1 equals to object S1 dot dictionary. So this is the predefined variable which is used to display the current instance variable in the object. S1 dot dictionary means so S1 equals to student, the constructor is invoked, S number equals to 1 2 3 4. That means in the dictionary S1 dictionary there are variable 1 S number and the value is 1 2 3 4. After calling stu data, then S name Ravi. S name Ravi. In third one, S qualification BTech. Okay. And for S2 object, the constructor is invoked with one variable S number 1 2 3 4. Okay. So next one is Ramu, another one is MTech. If I call S1 dot display, what it displays is 1 2 3 4 Ravi BTech. S2 dot display 1 2 3 4 Ramu BTech. Delete the, how we can delete the instance variables? Simply using del keyword. Del S1 dot S number. So now in S1, this is the S1, S number dot 1 2 3 4 is deleted. Now we can see static variables. Static variable means inside the class, outside the function. In this example, city is the static variable, S number is the instance variable. If you are defining a variable with help of class number, then also it is static variable. Okay. So these S number, S name, city, these two also instance variables. Now we can display this. Now we can execute this program. So student dot dictionary, that means here we can access the dictionary with the help of class name. That means all the class related, that means all the static variables are stored in student. If you observe that in this city Yeluru, so that is declared as a static. Okay. So S1 dot dictionary, so that means S1 object related. What is the S1 object related? S number, this is S number, S name, city. So these we are called as a instance variable. Okay. I hope you all are understand the difference between instance variable and static variable. Now we can see this A B. These are the local variables. Here A, B are the local variables. A, B are the local variables to all the functions. You can execute this. Okay. I hope you all are understand the differences between instance variable and static variable and local variable.